Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my somewhat messy room with stuff over here and wrapping paper over here from Christmas presents. But I have the April IPSY and I'd love to unbox it with you. I do know a little bit of what's coming in this particular IPSY just because I was trying to place a Sephora order and I didn't want to like buy things that were coming in my IPSY, and then I ended up not buying really anything. I just got like the stuff that I needed and moved along, which is probably the best thing for my wallet. But I'd love to show you what I got in my April IPSY, and I really like being surprised. I think some of the stuff I've actually forgotten what I got, so I'm just going to reach into this thingy and pull out the bag. Oh, it's cute. It's like got pink. Is there anything in here? No, everything's inside the bag. So it's got, oh, hello. It's got like, it's pink and it has like daisies on it. And that is that. That's the bag. So what's the first item? It's a little pink cellophane, saran wrap, however you say that. Oh my god, the packaging is so cute. Look at this. That's so cute. What is this? Ooh, an eyeshadow duo thingy. That's super cute. Oh man, I wish I would have opened this before I got dressed today because that bottom shade would be perfect with what I'm wearing today. Well, now I know for next time. Because actually this, I'll show you. Look at these leggings that I'm wearing. Like, it's the exact color of my leggings. That's so funny. Okay, what's next? We have Black Magic. Oh, this is the brown eyeliner that I was really excited about. I have a brown eyeliner, but it sucks. So I was super excited to get a new one. Here's the tip. We'll just swatch just a little bit of it. There's the brown. I'm just gonna have to see how it wears. I have no idea. It doesn't look super powerful right here, but sometimes brown eyeliner just doesn't, you know? It's because it's brown and not black. But it's already dried and it's not moving, so that's a good sign. What else do we got? Lovecraft Beauty. I feel like I have a gel eyeliner pencil from them. What else? This is Glare Gloss. I can't remember what was my item that like I picked to be in this bag because I'm pretty sure I chose one. I don't remember if it was this though. Oh, packaging, cute. Look at that. Oh, I love that. Look at that. It's so cute. Okay. So this is the color of the gloss. Again, it's going to go good with that eyeshadow. It smells like nothing. My favorite smell. This is Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. Wow, it is really reflecting off my lights. It's like a brightening dewdrops. It says watermelon. Does it smell like watermelon? Oh, there's a little doohickey on there. Yep, it smells like watermelon. It smells good. What else do we got? I think this is, yeah, Rose Clay Purifying Mask. This is what I picked because I need more clay masks in my life. So let's see if it smells like rose. No. Yeah, it does actually. I'm lying. It does smell like rose. Awesome. You know what? I am more happy with this bag than I've been with a bag in a long time. It is rare that like I get a bag that I'm like excited about every product. Like there's usually at least one that I'm like, this smells like shit, or I don't have any need for this. But like, yeah, I want to check out what these dewdrop thingies are about. Why the fuck? Usually it has the description in here, but no. It's just telling me how to use my bag, which I already have like 18 million uses for. I'm good. So, to summarize, gloss, face mask, they're all pink. These dewdrops, the eyeshadow duo, well, I guess the liner is brown, but I'll take it. Pink and brown, just like my hair. Anyway, thanks for tuning in to my unboxing of my April IPSY, and we'll see y'all later. Bye.